Alright, so I got a 2011 Chevy Impala, and this is my driver's side headlight, and it's still working apparently, but this passenger side one is out, so I looked it up and we about to see how to change it. Okay, so I need this and this. I'm gonna just go ahead and change both of them because it's it's definitely not. It says might as well just change both, so I'm gonna go ahead and change both. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take this little white piece out. It's one on both sides, so you can go ahead and take both of them out. All right, so next I got the 9 and 32 with the socket wrench. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen it up on both sides. Okay, then you want to go ahead and grab your new bulbs. I got these ZXEs from AutoZone. So it said it was the brightest, probably not the brightest, but like the second, third brightest. And since I have the foggy lenses, I figured it was a better upgrade anyways. All right, then we got this little round part right here. All you do is just twist it, and then the bulb is right there. You unsnap it from the part it's fastened to, and then you go ahead and switch it out with the new light bulb, just like that, in and out, and then twist the top right back on. 2 seconds. Okay, maybe 5 seconds, but the second one went a whole lot faster. This was my first try. Okay. All right, now you want to slide the little white piece right back in. After that, go ahead, put the screws back in, tighten it up, and you be done. And here we go. This is as clear as it shows during the day. And here's a night view just in case.